Supply chain status?
We need 15,000 tons.
Expedited. Monitor for bottlenecks.
Team A, confirm valve alignment? Aligned. Opening now. Flow initiated. Watch the gauge. Crane is active. Moving mercury container. Copy that. Path is clear. Lower into stage now. Secured. Stage is set.
Initiating purity analysis now. UV confirms. Test complete.
Sample inspection.
Stirring now.
Chemical check complete. pH is 7.01. Approved.
This simulator enables safe, hands-on training for mercury processing, minimizing risks through realistic virtual scenarios.
Seal verification complete. Confirmed. Checklist item 2. Prepare for transfer. Understood? Ready.
Analysis confirms 99.9999% purity. Approving certification stamped and finalized. Barrel secure. Strap it down. Strap engaged. Tension check. Clear. Next barrel. Safety check complete. Seal it.
Careful. It's the high purity shipment. Got it. Moving to the prep station.
Opening now.
Real-time tracking systems monitoring every shipment globally. Background sound, GPS data hum, logistics screen, compliance check.
Client feedback. Increase sampling for purity.
Understood. I'll update the protocols now.
Good. This maintains our high standards.
Our program safely handles mercury waste. Advanced technology recovers the mercury, protecting the environment.
We're optimizing the process for safer, more efficient mercury production. The new tech is showing promising results.
Strict regulatory compliance ensuring safe production and handling. The convention bans new mercury mines.
And limits trade to registered parties.
How do we ensure compliance?
Researchers are developing alternatives to reduce mercury usage.
The new prototype is performing exceptionally.
Efficiency is up 30%.